In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your Epson WorkForce WF-3010 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to go ahead and search for Epson WorkForce WF-3010 support. Best results should come back with an Epson support page. This is Epson WorkForce WF-3010 DW support. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down underneath recommended for you and select the Epson product setup. And you want to select the download button and open up that file. Once it's done downloading, it should be a verified publisher. Select yes. And then you have to accept the end user license terms and select OK. Select your printer from the list, so it would be the 3010 series printer. And then you just would select install to continue with the installer, and that's pretty much all you'd have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.